Hello there. This tutorial is to show you how to connect our Android gaming box to a laptop or a PC desktop in order to transfer information, transfer new games, or just for the sake of it. It will help you also in this tutorial, we will show you how to remove games, how to add more games, and how to make changes to the actual memory system of our console. So for this type of connection, you will need a micro USB cable like that one there. It connects to that port right there. And the other end, the USB end, goes to the laptop or computer you're connecting the console to. We recommend using Windows computers since we haven't tested on a Mac. So once you have that connection, you will need to go to the Android tab here. So look for that tab, then go down to settings. Once you're in settings, you will go down to USB and then click on connect to PC. You will hear a sound and it's gonna show you that it's making a connection. Once it makes a connection, you turn on USB storage there. And then on my computer here, you should see a new drive pop up like that one. See in there? So that drive is your actual memory of the console, and it contains all the information inside the console. I strongly recommend not deleting anything without knowing, because you can mess around with the actual system and you can just destroy the actual front end or delete some games without knowing. The main game folders is this one, games. You double click it and another set of folders should come up, which are the actual gaming console folders, games from the ROMs. So let's pretend you want to add a game to the Super Nintendo console. You double click there. All those are games, actual ROM files for the games. So you don't want to delete any of those if you don't want to delete the game. If you have a ROM file, I'm not gonna make a tutorial right now of how to obtain ROM files, but you can go online on Google. There's a website called EMU Paradise in which you can download actual ROM files like this ones, and just start adding your ROM files there, and in order to increase your collection of games. So let's go back here. So once you have all the ROM files on the folders there added from your computer to the actual folders, you can do other stuff if you want, or if you want to kill the connection, you gotta kill that connection in order to go back to the front end. So you just turn off USB storage there. Click on that. I'm using right now my remote, so it's easier for me. So you go back using the back button there. Okay. Then from there, you can go back to the, click back again, and you're gonna go to the front end, main front end of games. Okay, so now you have added the actual file to the Super Nintendo, but still it's not in here yet because you need to actually go down here to tools. This is an important step in order to add games. You go down to tools, then database tasks. You click on that. And then in here, it's really important that you press rescan without scraping, because you want to just detect the new game without messing around with the other games. So if you scrape, scraping means it's going to grab the information in order to put the new covers on it and all that. You don't want to mess around with this one because it's already been scraped and it takes a super while to get those files from the internet. So you don't want to mess around with that. Just click on rescan without scraping, and it will actually find your new game and add it to the actual gaming front end there. And once you do that, you can go back to the gaming console you added the game from, and it should appear on your list there. If you have any questions, you can send us an email, call us, text, whatever you need, and we will glad help you with anything. But that's basically how you connect our console to a laptop in order to make changes to the file system. I strongly recommend not deleting anything without knowing, because you can mess around with all this. Thank you so much.